Packing for a trip to the polar regions is always an adventure in itself. Trying to stuff a parka the size of a small polar bear into a suitcase designed for a weekend getaway is a special kind of challenge. Dreaming of a journey to the ends of the earth, Antarctica, a land of icy wonder and unparalleled beauty, beckons. But fear not, intrepid explorers, for this frozen paradise can be experienced on any budget. Join us as we delve into the contrasting worlds of budget adventures and luxury cruises, uncovering the secrets to experiencing the seventh continent on your terms. So you yearn for the icy embrace of Antarctica but aren't quite ready to remortgage your house? Fear not, my friend, for the great white continent welcomes adventurers of all budgets. Now, you won't find any 5-star resorts or Michelin-starred restaurants here. Your journey begins in the port of Ushuaia, Argentina, often dubbed the end of the world. It's here you'll find a variety of companies offering more affordable passage to the Antarctic Peninsula. These smaller vessels might not boast casinos or swimming pools, but they offer something far more valuable: intimacy and an authentic connection with the untamed wilderness around you. Imagine setting sail, the wind whipping your hair as you navigate the legendary Drake Passage. Yes, it can be a tad choppy, a bit of a roller coaster ride, but trust me, the sight of your first iceberg shimmering under the Antarctic sun will erase any discomfort. These budget-friendly expeditions often focus on what truly matters, getting you up close and personal with Antarctica's incredible wildlife. Picture yourself bundled up in a warm parka, cruising alongside towering icebergs in a sturdy Zodiac inflatable boat. The air crackles with anticipation as a pod of humpback whales breaches the surface, their colossal bodies gleaming like polished obsidian in the crisp Antarctic air. And then there's the penguins, those tuxedo-clad comedians of the Southern Ocean. Imagine landing on a beach, thousands of penguins waddling around you, their comical antics providing endless entertainment. You'll witness their daily routines, from the clumsy attempts at nest building to the heartwarming sight of parents feeding their fluffy chicks. And let's not forget the seals, those blubbery masters of relaxation. You'll find them lounging on ice floes, basking in the sun, seemingly unfazed by your presence. One of the most magical aspects of an Antarctic adventure, regardless of your budget, is the sense of community that forms on board. Evenings are spent sharing stories of the day's adventures, sipping hot chocolate in the ship's lounge, and marveling at the endless expanse of stars above. Now, let's be clear, budget travel in Antarctica does come with its trade-offs. Accommodation is often shared cabins, meals are hearty but basic, and you'll need to be prepared to lend a hand, with daily tasks like cleaning and preparing for shore landings. Now, for those who prefer their adventures with a touch of indulgence, Antarctica doesn't disappoint. Imagine stepping aboard a luxury expedition vessel, your floating oasis in a sea of ice. These aren't your average cruise ships, mind you. These are state-of-the-art vessels, designed to navigate the icy waters of the Southern Ocean, in both style and safety. Think spacious suites with panoramic views, gourmet dining experiences that would make a penguin jealous, and enough onboard amenities to keep you entertained for the entire voyage. Picture yourself sipping champagne as you glide past colossal icebergs, their towering forms sculpted by the relentless forces of nature. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of pink, orange, and violet, a breathtaking spectacle you'll cherish forever. Luxury cruises offer a level of comfort and convenience that simply can't be matched by their budget counterparts. Heated cabins with plush bedding ensure a cozy retreat after a day of exploration. Indulge in exquisite meals prepared by world-class chefs, featuring the freshest seafood and the finest ingredients. Unwind in the ship's spa, where you can soak in a hot tub overlooking the icy wilderness, or treat yourself to a rejuvenating massage. And for the truly adventurous, some luxury cruises even offer helicopter excursions, giving you a bird's-eye perspective of the breathtaking landscapes below. Imagine soaring above towering glaciers, their icy surfaces crisscrossed by deep crevasses, or landing on a remote ice shelf surrounded by nothing but the vastness of the Antarctic wilderness. But luxury cruises aren't just about indulgence. They also offer unparalleled access to some of Antarctica's most remote and pristine locations. Expert guides and naturalists accompany each expedition, sharing their knowledge of the region's unique wildlife, geology, and history. You'll have the opportunity to kayak among icebergs, hike on untouched shores, and even camp overnight on the continent, all while enjoying the comforts of a luxury expedition. Imagine slipping into a dry suit, feeling a surge of adrenaline as you plunge into the icy waters for a polar plunge. The shock of the cold takes your breath away, but the experience, the sheer exhilaration of swimming in one of the most remote and pristine environments on Earth is something you'll never forget. Antarctica, my friends, is calling, but before you answer, a few insider tips to ensure your journey is as smooth as a penguin's belly on ice. Firstly, timing is everything in the land of the midnight sun. The Antarctic season runs from November to March, each month offering a unique perspective on this ever-changing landscape. Early season November and December is all about dramatic ice formations and the arrival of penguins and seals at their breeding colonies. As the season progresses, you'll witness adorable penguin chicks hatching and the return of migratory whales to these nutrient-rich waters. Late season, February and March, offers longer hours of daylight and the chance to witness the breathtaking southern lights dancing across the night sky. Packing for Antarctica is like preparing for a journey to another planet, albeit a very cold one. Layering is key, my friends. Think thermal base layers, fleece mid layers, and a windproof, waterproof outer shell. Don't forget a warm hat, gloves, and a good pair of insulated waterproof boots. Trust me, your toes will thank you. Now, a word on seasickness. The Drake Passage, that notorious stretch of water separating South America from Antarctica, is known for its unpredictable nature. Pack some seasickness medication just in case. Wristbands and ginger candies can also work wonders. Once you're on the ground, or rather on the ice, respect for the environment is paramount. Antarctica is a pristine wilderness, and it's our responsibility to keep it that way. Follow the guidelines set by your expedition leaders, stick to designated paths, and avoid disturbing wildlife. Remember, we're merely visitors in their icy domain. Now, for the photography enthusiasts among you, Antarctica is a dream destination. But be prepared for the extreme conditions. Keep your batteries warm, as cold temperatures can drain batteries fast. And you should use a polarizing filter to reduce glare from the ice and snow, and pack extra memory cards. You'll be snapping away like a penguin on a feeding frenzy. One of the most rewarding aspects of an Antarctic adventure is the opportunity to disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with nature. There's limited internet and phone connectivity, so embrace the digital detox. And so our Antarctic adventure comes to an end. From the playful antics of penguins to the breathtaking beauty of glaciers, I hope this journey has inspired you to add this extraordinary destination to your travel bucket list. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy and safe travels.